Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an amazing photo album in video format using PowerPoint. First, go to the Insert menu, click on Pictures, select your photos, and insert them into the slide. After that, crop and arrange your images neatly, like this. Then, select all the images and group them together by pressing Ctrl+G. Next, create an ellipse shape. Select the ellipse, go to Shape Format, fill it with white, and set the outline to no outline. Copy this ellipse and place the shapes at the top and bottom of the slide. Now make another copy of the top of the ellipse and place it like this. Hold the Control key, select both of the ellipse on the top and go to Shape Format. Then choose Arrow button and adjust the shadows of the ellipses, like this. I will go for downward shadow, transparency about 50%, blur 10 and distance about 4 points. Now select another ellipse and add shadow. Also adjust it. Like this. After that, go to Fill option, then increase some transparency. Now you are ready for the final step. At first, duplicate the slide. Then, in the second slide, move the image a little longer. Like this. Now repeat this process for all of the slides. After that, select all the slides, then go to Transition tab and choose Morph Transition. Then go to the timing option and select After and type 2 seconds. Now it is ready to go.